Hey guys, Collectability 96 here, and today we have a box worth of Order of Chaos packs. So there are 24 packs, equivalent to one box. They are not first edition. They come straight from a tin. I got it off eBay for a really good deal. It comes to about like $2 a pack. They're just not first editions, and because they come from a tin, and they're all random, the holo ratio may be a bit strange here, but let's see what we could get. So first pack, Order of Chaos is one of my favorite sets. So we got Armor Ninjutsu, Art of Freezing, Evil Tile Plural, Trance Archfiend, Flame Armor Ninja, Weights and Zen Majors as the rare, Mass Ninja Ibisu, Air Armor Ninja, Variable Form, and Dark Mabali. Next pack. Sorry, I keep shaking the camera here. Alright, we got Shocktopus, Full Force Strike, Zen Maelstrom, Familiar Possessed Dark Blade, the Captain of the Evil World as the rare, Sweetcorn, Photon Trident, Darklon, and Mass Ninja Ibisu. Next one, third pack. Aqua Armor Ninja, Vampire Koala, Dice Foon, Zen Maelstrom, a rare Dark Flat Top, Photon Crusher, Degen Force, Newman Iratitsudu, and Wind Up Honeybee. Alright, next one. So far we only got some rares, so try to get a holo. Danipon, Primordial Soup, Evil Tile Plural, Counterforce, rare Evil Tile Casenario, and then Armor Ninjutsu, Art of Freezing, Evil Tile Plural, Galaxy Storm, and Shocktopus. So far we only got rares. Hopefully I don't get all rares in here, that'd be kind of bad. So you got Aqua Armor Ninja, Interplanetary Purpley Thorny Dragon, cool. Curry Volt, Vampire Koala, Weights and Zen Measures, Double Defender, Evil Star Elias, The Huge Revolution is Over, and Insector Centipede. So 5 packs and all rare so far. Not looking good so far. Right, there we go. Danipon, Shocktopus, Evil Branch, Insector Giga Revel, a rare Go Giant, Photon Circle, Earth Armor Ninja, Sweetcorn, and Photon Trident. Next one. Evil Sartorius, Armor Ninjutsu, Art of Freezing, Evil Tile Plural, Galaxy Storm, a rare White Knight Queen, and there we go, an ultra rare Twin Photon Lizard. Alright, so at least we got one holo so far. What's that? 3, 5, 7 packs, one holo. Hopefully the holos will start pouring in now. We got Primordial Soup, Aqua Armor Ninja, Interplanetary Purple Thorny Dragon, Revolt, Insector Ore, and a super rare Ninjutsu Art of Super Transformation. Their Armor Ninja, Galaxy Wave, and Wind Up Honeybee. Next one. Got Evil Tile Plural, Trance Archfiend. I've seen these. Degen Force. Starlight, Starbright. Next one. Evotile Plural. I won't repeat all these commons because you've seen them already. Go Giant Rare. Double Defender. Next one. So if you see any cards you guys want, send me a message here on YouTube or check out my eBay page, which I'll have a link to in the description. So we have Full Force Strike, Vampire Koala, Rare Galacticgod, and a super rare Creeping Darkness. Hopefully we could get like a wind up shark and Insector Hornet or something. We got Upstart Golden Ninja, Insector Ant, Exceeds Burst, Armor Ninja 2 Hour Freezing, Rare Evil Instant, Variable Form. How many packs we got left? 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're about halfway done. We got 3 holos so far. So that's about 1 for every 4 packs, which is the average ratio. Counterforce. Interplanetary Purpley Thorny Drain. A rare Shrine of the Mist Valley. Alright. Hopefully we can get a secret rare in here too. Rare Photon Lizard. Rare Weights and Zen Measures, and a ultra rare Insector Sword Excalibur. That's my second pull of that card. I already got one from my Tin Helios, that big dragon guy, Tin. Galaxy Storm, Shrine of the Mist Valley, Splash Capture, Sweethorn. Oops, and I'm spilling the commons in here. Spoon, Rare Ninjutsu Art of Duplication, and a super rare Evil Force. Come on, secret. Rare Reverse Buster. And a ultra rare number 12 Crimson Shadow Armor Ninja. Cool. We got 6 packs left, so let's get them open. Reverse Buster. Another one. Rare galacticgod. Whew, 4 more packs. Hopefully you can get in there hollow. Photon Leo, rare Photon Thrasher, cool, and another Insector Sword Zexcalibur. Man, getting a lot of those. Photon Crusher, something is printing behind me. Rare Galacticgod, and there is Insector Centipede, Photon Crusher, Darklon. Alright, we got 2 more packs, guys. Primordial Soup, Ninjutsu Art of Duplication, rare, and a super rare Blade Armor Ninja. Pretty good pull. Challenge the Prophet. Alright, and the last pack of Order of Chaos. Vampire Koala, Photon Leo, Insector Ant, Downy Pond, rare Insector Dragonfly, and just the Photon Crusher. Alright, so just a recap on the holos. We got Blade Armor Ninja, a ultra rare, 2 ultra rares, Insector Sword Zexcalibur, ultra rare number 12, Crimson Shadow Armor Ninja, Evil Force, Creeping Darkness, Ninjutsu Art of Super Transformation, and a ultra rare Twin Photon Lizard. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 holos out of 24, so that's about the normal ratio. Didn't get a secret rare though, so that kind of is a bummer. And yeah, that's all, guys. So thanks for watching. Once again, if you saw any cards you like, go check out my eBay page. I will be selling or trading all of these cards I got. And if you don't see it on my eBay page, send me a message on YouTube if you want a specific card. I do sell like lots and stuff, so there's no guarantees on what cards you will get in there. But yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Also got Matt here. Got Sangan, Judgment Dragon, and Dad on there. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, and peace.